everyone, welcome to another video from JJ Pokestop. I'm Justin. This is Jack right here. And we're going to be opening a couple Kleavor boxes. Now I already took them out of the box
only
Jack
one.
is pokey though, two Kleavor boxes. Again, Jack is super pokey and it takes him forever to get boxes open. So I already opened these. So in here you get all kinds of goodies. Oh dear.
Oh god, this is not coming out. This does not want to come out. Can I get some help, please?
So in here you get the Kleavor code card. Oh dear.
And Kleavor in general.
Show the cards you get. Show the cards you get. Show them quick.
You get cards.
Show what you, come on, show what you get.
Big card. Big card and small card.
What are they?
Kleavor. And
card.
cool Kleavor pin. I mean, not pin.
You do get a pin.
Yeah, you do get a pin.
You also get a Kleavor V full art card.
Cool. Vstar. Middle.
Did you have all the packs? No, my packs are still there. Alright, 6 packs of this one.
You wanna go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Fine.
I'm gonna do a fusion strike.
Hey, wait, I'm right next to the garbage.
Yeah, it's because somehow you got moved way over.
I don't know.
Code card.
Goodbye.
And in our first pack of fusion strike, we get a Mudkip, Caterpie, Morpeko, Eevee, Voltorb, Pukamuku, Schoolgirl, Chili, Celine, and Cress, Scorch, and Gold Power Tablet.
Ooh.
On our very first pack. I gotta move you over a little.
Okay.
Alright.
Energy Lodo, Kolava,
Lotto.
Golda,
Lotto.
Chatot, Ponyta, Kricketot, Psyduck, Pet Lily, Mighty Anna, Regice.
Okay. Next pack of fusion strike.
Fusion Strike. I'll strike you. Whoop, bang.
Code card.
Can you not throw it?
And we have an Eevee, Shinx, Shelmet, Drillbur, Bunnelby, Scorch, Energy, Turtonator, Reverse Hollow Blissey, and Absol. Oh, my back's starting to hurt. It's a good thing this is almost the last video.
Almost. Yeah, we have like a bazillion shorts to record.
Oh, my everything hurts. I'm getting too old for this.
Like how many shorts do you have in you?
I want to do all of them.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna happen.
In fact, I should go get those out so we can see how many are left. Oh, yeah,
Bikini,
clean this out too.
Electric,
Card.
Dunspark, Morpeko, Skarmory, Shelmet, Blustle, Muna, Scorch, Steelix, Dark Energy.
Oh, excuse me. I got the hiccups. Okay, I'm back. This is how many we got to do.
A lot.
That's how many shorts we got left.
At least 100.
Yeah, probably not quite 100.
Close
Alright,
to
what
100.
pack was that? Strike. Alright. Up next. Code card. I'm doing this backwards. Oh, I'm doing the wrong order. Astral Radiant should be last. Ponyard, Poochyena, Yanma, Drifloon, Sudowoodo. Oh, I didn't shuffle these.
Stop pushing me off the chair.
Oshawott, Braviary, and Hippowdon, Lotto, Palama.
Rosina's Backup, Tropius, Crawdon, Carablast.
Back up!
What?
Back up, Terry! Keep going. Keep going.
Starly. I always start you, Carablast, right?
Oh, Raikou V. Alright.
Raikou V! Move back, Terry.
Back up, Terry!
What movie is that from?
It's not a movie. It's a video from a long time ago. The guy setting off fireworks.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it. Alright, that's enough. People are gonna have no idea. For the record, Jack has not seen that movie. Just so you guys don't think I'm some kind of a monster. If you know what movie that is.
Ain't got no gas.
Grabs her ring, feather ball, tip out on.
I have seen the movie.
He has not. He just knows that quote. Reg Ice.
I know the movie.
And Hisuian Samurott V. What movie is it then?
A movie.
Yeah, you don't even know what movie it is.
What is the movie?
I'm not telling you.
Why not?
You are not old enough to watch that movie. That movie's.
Why? What's it about?
It's hard to explain.
Can't say it on camera.
No, I could say it on camera.
Dark Cry, Crocodile. Elisa Sparkle, Trubber. Dial, Bathtub, Snorlax. No. Masculine, Bikevolt.
What's up with this? Code card. Magmar, Impidimp, Axew, Spiritomb, Clink, Beartic, Dusclops, Cleansing Gloves, Reverse Hollow Purloin, and a Dusk Noir.
Noir. Oh god, I wasn't prepared for this! Cool card.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What are you doing? That top one's your energy. No, it's not. What'd you do? Put that one in the back.
What did I do
Get rid of
wrong?
your energy. I don't know what you did.
What did I do?
Well, there's a code card while he's figuring out
Blunder
his life.
Policy, Pachirisu, Double Turbo Energy, Nose Pass, Snorunt, Baltoy, Mincino, Chimchar, Golurk, Lapras. Lapras. Laprash.
I don't know if I shuffled. I did not. Shows
Is
our
that- is
channel's
that-
catchphrase. I don't know if I shuffled. Corphish, Sock, Cherubi, Clefairy, Tropius, Ultra Ball, Crawdaunt, Double Turbo Energy, and a Haxorus. T-shirt's coming. I don't know if I shuffled.
Oh, wait, really?
No.
Why not?
Because no one will buy it.
I would. No, we should. Thank you for the good idea. Mommy has always wanted to make a movie. Now we got an idea for Mommy. Golduck, Super Effective Glass, Kricketune, Combi, Ralts, Nickit, Togepi, Chatot, Bronzong, Togekiss.
All right, we got some time. Let's open some more random packs.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4.
But are
we
they
can
all?
we can do 3 each.
Wait, is that Fusion Strikes though? Are they
There's a
all?
lot of Fusion Strike. Okay, don't look. Pick your pack.
You back here. Fusion Strike. And
Fusion Strike.
Fusion Strike. Okay, I go first.
Go ahead. Although sorting these is kind of silly because these are all going to go in our trick or treat packs, so I don't really need to sort them.
Really?
Yeah.
Are these even gonna go?
No, probably not those. I mean, I'll put some V's and whatnot. Then we have duplicates of here and there. He's too slow. There's a code card.
Kyuku Muku, Eldergloss, Power Tablet, Impidimp, Snom, Onyx, Jigglypuff, Durant, Power Tablet, Butterbean.
Butterby.
Butterbean?
Butterby.
Wait. What's your shirt say?
What? It says vocal coaching, Route 3 Kanto. Shelmet, Drillbur, Bunnelby, Mudkip, Caterpie, Phalanx, Simisear, Eldegoss, Reverse Hollow Battle VIP Pass, and a Grand Ball. Alright, next pack for Jack. The Jack Attack Pack. Which one do you want? You got 2, which one? That one?
This one. Darkness Ablaze.
There's only 3 packs left, so it's real hard for you to not know what I got.
What'd you get?
Astral Radiance.
I think the last 2 are probably Fusion Strikes.
I don't think either of them were Fusion Strike. Oh, maybe they are. I got them upside down, so it's a little harder to tell.
Oh.
What?
I don't know. Nothing.
Quit being so loud. Go ahead.
Staravia.
Oh, excellent. Upside down. That is
Zoelis,
classic.
Relish.
That is the quality you
Jigglypuff,
expect from us.
Diglett, Pids, Padpour, Spitterack, Corvusquire, Muck.
Awesome. Yep, that was just mwah. Amazing. That just earned us like 80 subscribers right there. Kricketot, Psyduck, Petlil, Stantler, Bergmite, Uxie, Kamado, oops, whatever that was. What was that? Overquill, Sneasler, and a Sneasler V. Quit messing with that. Quit messing with that. That's our camera mount for our shorts.
Oh, alright.
He's going in an Eevee Sleevey.
Eevee, Sleevey,
2 packs left. Pick a hand.
Left and right.
Pick a hand.
Left. And Fusion Strike! What'd you get?
Living Voltage.
Can I switch?
Nope. You're gonna go last though, because you're going too slow. Trubbish, Whismur, Rockruff, Voltorb, Nincada, Mightyena, Beauty, Shuckle, Hero's Medal, and a Pikachu V.
Quick Ball, Barraskewda, Paparaja, Tadamau, Zerua, Shelter, Caterpie, Rover, Beware, and Toxicoke. I don't know how I did that, but I did it.
You're a goober.
Thank you.
Alright, well that's the end of that video. Thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next one.
Toodle.
Oh, the camera.
Toodles.